Good stuff.
Okay, anytime.
Hi everyone. Today I'm going to harvest my corn from my back 40 fields of kiddie pool grow bag corn. Okay, I have 4 of them. I already started harvesting and I got 2 left. Why am I doing it today? I came out and the squirrels were actually digging it up. So I'm competing. Let's go with this one right here. We have one nice corn here and we got one on this side here. So I am harvested. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Just go ahead and show you. I'll go over here. Okay, ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh boy, look at this. Why'd y'all look at this? So, we did get corn out of it. Okay, just a little corn. But again, I harvested early because usually if I wait, the squirrels get it before me. So can you grow corn from a grow bag? Yes, you can. A little.
That's in your...
Ooh.
That was always in your face. Is it good?
Heck with cooking it. I think that's a worm. Yeah.